Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easily drag and drop photo from one folder to another on your iPhone. It's super simple and save a lot of time. First, open the photo app on your iPhone and make sure the photo you want to move are saved in album or folder. Next, go to the album where your photo is located. Tap select at the top right corner. Now tap on the photo or photos you want to move. You can select multiple photos at once. After selecting, touch and hold one of the selected folder. You will feel a little vibration and the photo will lift up. Now with your fingers still holding it, drag it towards back button to go to the album or another folder. When you reach the folder or album where you want to move the photo, just release the finger. The photo will drop into the new folder instantly, and just like that your photo are moved. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.